How to make money with Veed.io. Want to turn simple videos into real income? Here's how you can start making money using Veed.io. First, offer video editing services. Businesses, influencers, and creators constantly need short-form content for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Use Veed.io to quickly add subtitles, transitions, and clean edits. Then sell your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Second, start a content automation channel. Create faceless videos using stock footage, text-to-speech, and captions. Focus on niches like motivation, facts, or finance. With consistency, you can monetize through ads, affiliates, or sponsorships. Third, repurpose content. Reach out to podcasters and YouTubers and offer to turn their long videos into short clips. This is in high demand and easy to scale. Finally, create and sell digital products. Use Veed.io to make tutorials, online courses, or social media templates and sell them on platforms like Gumroad. The key is speed and consistency. Veed.io makes editing fast, so you can focus on volume and clients. Start small, stay consistent, and scale up. That's how you make money with Veed.io.